It's your boy Habib Educate, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to update your WhatsApp. You know, we have two ways of updating our WhatsApp application, and I'm going to teach you that for free. All right, and the second one is how to update our applications. All the applications you're having on your mobile phone, sometimes you realize the phone goes slowly, sometimes it stalls when you are using it, and it just moves slowly. Okay, meaning those applications has not been updated. It is just as you updating your phone. Okay, even your phone must be updated so that it will move faster and everything will move quick as it's supposed to. But whenever your moves start to move slowly, and it just get boring, meaning there are a lot of applications and things that you must update on your phone which you don't know. So in this video I'm going to take you through how to update your WhatsApp phone, and all the two ways of updating our WhatsApp, and the second one, how to update our applications on the mobile devices, so that it will stop all the go slow, or all the slow moves and stuff that the user observes whenever things are overloaded on the mobile devices. So without wasting my time, let's share the screen together. Okay, now let's tap on WhatsApp. Okay, open. As you can see, they've given me warning for so long, but because of the tutorial I didn't update it. I intentionally did that, so that I'll be able to teach those who are not able to. So now to update, let me on the do not disturb. Okay, to update you hit on download. Okay, so it has expired. Now we want to update and get a new version of the WhatsApp, the GB WhatsApp. So after hitting on download, it will take you to the WhatsApp website or whatever. That's the place where we'll be able to download the new version. So it's still loading. Okay, I think it's loading now. All right, here we go. Here is it. So you scroll down. Okay, how to download and install GB WhatsApp Pro and whatever. So you just keep on scrolling down until you come across something like this. Then select minor link. So the reason why I say you select minor link is, as it is written, if you faced any problem using direct download button, please refresh the page or try the minor link. So mostly with the direct download there is a problem, though you can download from there too. So you can just try one. If it doesn't work, use the other. So after that, hit on download at the bottom. So you see it loading, and hit install. Okay, after that, hit on install. It will bring it to on something like this. Then hit on install again. It's still loading or still installing. So after installing, you see something like open and done. Okay, so if you hit on open, it will take you direct to your WhatsApp. That's the GB WhatsApp, which has been updated. If you hit on done, then that's it. You've already updated it, and you can go back. So now I've hit on open. So here is the WhatsApp, change log. If you want to read, you can read. If you don't want to, you can just hit on close. Okay, it's not necessary. You can just hit on close. Okay, because of curiosity I just want to scroll to the bottom. All right, hit on close. Okay, so here is the updated version of the GB WhatsApp. All right, so now we are done, and I'm going to teach you how to update your other applications, all the applications on your phone, to avoid a slow running of your mobile phone. So after you hit on the Play Store, hit on your email icon, okay, then select manage apps and devices. Then you can see update available. I have 27 updates pending, which I've not updated. Yeah, I intentionally did it for this tutorial purpose, so all these applications have not been updated. I have more than 100 applications on my phone currently. So due to shortage of space, I have to delete some of them. So there are a lot of applications which has not yet been updated, so that's the updating process. You hit the cancel at the app there, then hit on update all. So now you can see it is loading, meaning all the applications are being updated one after the other, though it takes time. Yeah, it takes time for me to be able to update all this. It took me more than 30 minutes, okay, because the applications are huge. So when you are able to update all these, it will stop the slow movement of your phone, so it is necessary for you to update. And after updating, all your applications will get their new features from the app developers themselves. So each and every time they try to put in new features in the applications that they've developed. So for you to get those features, each and every time your phone or your application expired, then you have to update the applications, so that the new version, you will also be part of those who enjoy it. But if you refuse, then you will still remain with the old version, which will still continue to run your phone slow. So it is necessary to update your applications. As I told you, to update your applications, once again, hit on Play Store. After hitting on Play Store, hit on your email icon, your email picture there. You should hit on it, or the email icon there. After hitting on it, it will take you to a place where it is written, update device and what have you, update apps and device, or manage apps and device. So you hit on it, and it will take you to a surface like this. You hit on update all, or cancel all. If you cancel all, you've stopped the updating. But if you hit on update all, then it will still be updating. As you can see, Canva design is updating. That's how we do it. So that's how the applications will be reducing. Now you can see you left with 4 applications to be updated. Okay, if you are in Ghana, I recommend you using a midnight bundle. So now it is necessary for you to be checking out and see, because sometimes the applications will stop updating, so you have to go back there and check it and dial or hit on the update or to start updating. So as I said, if you're in Ghana, I recommend you using a midnight bundle for this. If you're in Nigeria, in any of African countries or Europe, whatever you find yourself, if you have any of those bundles, it can last longer, because this updating takes time. Okay, it takes time, and it will also help your phone or boost it to operate faster, or else forget it. So after that too, after updating all, you have to hit on check new update, whether there are some application hiding which have not been updated. If there is any, update it. Then after that, you should check whether there's any harmful application which is causing damage to your mobile phone. If there is any, then do away with it. If there isn't any, then you are good to go. You see, check for updates. So hit on it for 2-3 times if there is any other expired application for you to update. But if there isn't any, then nothing will pop up. You see, I'm done and there isn't any update. So now you hit on go to play protect at the top, where it is written no harmful app found. Then hit on scan to check if there is any harmful application which is causing damage to your phone, something like a virus You understand? So you scan, you hit on scan to check. So after hitting on scan, you see it is scanning. So it will check for you if there is any. If there isn't any, then you are good to go. It's still scanning. All this is necessary for you to be doing so that your phone will move faster. So it has already done, or it is done, and there is nothing harmful, then you can move on. How was the video? Interesting, right? I got you. As I told you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It is just simple and easy steps to follow. Okay, how to update your WhatsApp. So I know now you can update your WhatsApp. And the second one, how to update your applications apart from WhatsApp. WhatsApp has a different way of updating it itself before the other applications. So there are places which you enter as you saw. Just do that and boom, you are good to go. So as time goes on, the applications developers, the apps developers, try to put in new features in these phones. So the more they put in new features, you must update your phone to get that feature. So without updating, it's like just the old version of that phone, and with that it will run slowly. So keep on updating your phone, keep on updating your WhatsApp, and experience the fast and swift move of these applications. In the next video, I'm going to do an impression of this super unidirectional condenser microphone. I've used it for more than 3 months now, so I'm gonna tell you things that I like about this microphone and what I don't like, and the kind of people to recommend it to. It is cheap to afford. Okay, so if you want to buy, I will leave the link in the description below so that you can just hit it up and get it on Jumia, or I can also leave a number on the screen or in the description box so that you can reach another guy that I knows. He sells a lot of these stuffs, and whatever the price is, you can decide for yourself whether to buy it or not. So it's up to you, and the link will be left in the description below. So for you to get the update of the impression video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. It's your boy Habib Educate, and I will see you in the next videos. Salam.